Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to do these expandable share buttons or share social icons using just Elementor Pro. Hi, my name is Karthik. I am a web developer and the founder of wpalgorithm.com. I make WordPress and Elementor tutorials to help beginners build amazing WordPress websites. If you're new to design school, subscribe to this channel and let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, go to your dashboard. You need Elementor Pro for this tutorial. So if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can get it from the link in the description. Once you have Elementor Pro, go to your dashboard, click on Theme Builder, click on Add New. We are going to create a new single post template or single page template. So these expandable social share buttons become a part of new design. So whenever you create a new post, new page, or you can also create a new single post template for your custom post types. That way, these expandable social share buttons become a part of the design. Well, I'll just click on create template. So once I choose single post, I'm greeted with a ton of templates. We'll be using this template, or you can create one from the scratch by closing this and starting everything from the scratch. To speed things up, I'll just choose this single post template so that it becomes easier for us in this tutorial. The reason why I'm doing this is just to show you that if you include the social share buttons as a part of your single post template, they become really useful. Okay, so this template has a few design elements. You can click on the navigator and you can actually verify all the things, right? It has post title, post info, and all that stuff. That's great. Now I'll add a new column. I'll just click on this, right click. I'll click on add new column and I'll change the column. I'll just click and drag it over here and I'll just change this width to maybe around 20%. I think 20 would be enough. This is automatically 80. And for the whole section, I think the width was around 750. You can just drag it around just to make more room for the content. Okay, so we have this column. I'll just click on this column. And to add the social share button, this is more of a hack. I'll just use accordion widget. Why am I doing that? You'll understand. I'll just click and drag it into this. By default, it's placed at the top. Now you can remove the second tab from the accordion. You can remove the title itself from the accordion, right? And also we'll delete the description for now. And I'll go to the style tab. I'll change the border width to 0, so no border whatsoever, right? So it's just the button that we have in here, right? I'll just click on this column. I'll change the vertical alignment to middle. So it's over here. That's great. Now you can change the color of the title. Let's change it to black or whatever color you want. And also I'll change the width of the accordion. I'll go to advanced tab, but we'll get back to this in a bit. Now, in order to have social share buttons, we'll just use the social share widget in Elementor. And to do that, scroll down and just drag in social share icons, right? The share buttons, click and drag them. And I'll just pick icon. I'll pick flat. I'll pick circle. You can add as many social media as you want, right? Maybe you can pick Reddit and maybe you can also pick Pinterest. Okay, those are the icons. Now, I'll also leave the columns to auto, right? You'll understand why I'm doing that in a bit. I'll just right click on this widget. I'll just click on save as global. I'll just call it social buttons uni. You can call it anything. Just click on save. Now this becomes a global widget, which means you'll have a shortcode for this widget, right? Now open a new tab or go to dashboard in a new tab, right? Go to Elementor or go to templates and click on save templates. And you have a new universal widget and you have a shortcode for that. Just copy the shortcode for the widget You can remove this additional section now, right? Now within this column or within this accordion, go to the content of the accordion, which is this, and just paste the shortcode. Publish that, and I'll just change it to all posts. Condition, include all posts. I'll just click on save and close. Now if you click on preview, you'll see the preview in action, what we did just now. So relative, right? We just have the share button, we have plus, we have minus, but the share buttons are occupied into various columns. How can we fix this? Well, to fix this, you can just change the width or the width property of the accordion. So go to advanced tab, go to positioning, click on width, click on custom, and around 86 pixels would just make the share buttons look like this, right? Plus, minus, and you can also change the icon size from here. Now I'll inspect the class name of the title. This is basically an accordion, right? So I'll minimize the side panel, inspect element, and I'm actually looking for this, and it's basically Elementor accordion icon, right? So I'll copy this class name, which is Elementor hyphen. I'll leave this code in the description. This is just to basically change the size of the plus and minus buttons, right? So that it becomes more visible. So dot class name, and I'll just change the font size to 30 pixel. Sorry about that, right? So the plus button becomes really big, right? Even the minus button becomes really big. You can change this value to whichever you want, right? This code will be in the description along. You can check out the description. Let's also change the icon itself. I'll just click the icon library, go to all icons, and I'll maybe pick this plus button, which looks, I don't know, better or something, right? So plus and also minus button. I think this one would look better. Let's also change the icon's color, right? This is color and active color. I'll just maybe change it to blue or something. Or maybe active color can also be the same, right? It's not a problem. Update. And I'll just click on preview. Let's preview our share button thing again. Plus, minus, and we just have our social share button. Just with the help of Elementor accordion widget. You can place this anywhere you want. If you want it at the top of the column, you can do that, right? Just click on the column, right? Maybe you can place it at the top if you want it that way, right? Also, one more thing, click on the accordion widget and make sure that the background of the content is transparent, right? You can change this background. If you add some background, it looks something like that, but drag this checker slider all the way to the left, so that becomes transparent and it looks like an actual widget, right? So that's one tip to note. And maybe you can add a margin at the top, maybe, I don't know, maybe at around 100 pixel margin. Maybe you can have social share button there. Let's also add a heading widget just above the social share button saying, hey, just share this thing. So I'll just say share, and it's maybe a div or something. Change the typography a bit. That way, you know that this plus actually stands for sharing the social share button. And it's also responsive. Click on the responsive mode. You can hide it on mobile devices. There's no real way you can place it properly on mobile devices. But even on tablet, you can see that this looks really good, right? Perfect, right? On desktop, it looks pretty good as well. So that's how you make a social share button just by using Elementor Pro. Now, this whole thing was just a part of our single post template, which means whenever you create a new post in Gutenberg, this will be the design. So I have a new post with all the things. So I'll just publish this post and see the design. I'll just click on view post, this newly, and we also have the share button even here, right? Which is kind of neat. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about Elementor Pro Theme Builder, check this video at the top, and if you want to learn each and everything about Elementor, check this playlist at the bottom, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing, and I'll catch you in the next video.